Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing one of these Splinter Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles classic action figures. I think this is the one I'm going to unbox. I kind of looked them over and decided which one I thought had the better packaging. I think I decided this is the one that I'm going to keep in the packaging, and this is the one that I'm going to unbox. So I do have other videos about this Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles classic action figures from Playmates Toys. I have one where I take the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, it's a 4-pack out of their box, and I don't unbox them out of the packaging, the blister card, but I do show you the different Ninja Turtles. And I have another video where I do a similar taking 4 action figures out of their box and showing them from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Classic Collection from Playmates Toys. It's the Mutants. So it's Shredder, Krang, Bebop, and Rocksteady. And I'll link those 2 videos at the end of this one. And if you're interested and have time, please check those videos out. So the Splinter action figure is based off of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles TV show cartoon that started in the 1980s. And the blister card and the graphics on the blister card are supposed to be the same, if not similar, to the graphics from the blister card from the 1988 original Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles action figures. So here is what the blister card looks like. I'm going to show you the back here as well. And okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get you guys a closer look while I unbox the Splinter. I'm really excited. I usually, when I buy collectibles, I don't take them out of the packaging. I tend to just collect them. But in this case, I was lucky enough to be able to find and buy 2 Splinters. So I am going to be unboxing this one. So let me get you guys a closer look now. All right, guys, but before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. Okay, so I'm just going to try to be really careful to preserve as much of the packaging as I can. I'm just going to gently start lifting up on the plastic here. Maybe I can start right here. It looks like there's a gap where the plastic isn't attached. I'm just going to slowly go around the plastic here. It does say, warning, choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years. And it looks like it's going to take some of the, as I take the plastic off, it is going to take off some of the blister card, or the graphics on the card. Let's try going the other way just to, yeah, it's just gonna, and that's okay. I feel like when I was a kid, I feel like I cut these out and kept them. But unfortunately, all of that is long gone, so I don't know what happened to that stuff. Okay, I'm just kind of slowly, trying to take this plastic off. And you guys can't see this, but my cat is watching me do this, so she is curious. Okay. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so I mean the graphics here did get a little bit beat up as I took the plastic off, as you can see. But let's set that to the side for now. I'm going to move Splinter back over. I'm going to take this off, and oh, this is so cool. It has been a while since I have held one of the Ninja Turtle action figures in my hand, and you know, Splinter is cool. I don't know if I ever had Splinter when I was a kid or not. I don't know if I remember having him or not. What I'm doing right now is I'm just trying to take this off here so we can take Splinter out of the packaging. So let me just do that. Okay, I just took this part out here, and I'm just kind of untwisting it like so. Okay. Set that off to the side, and oh, how cool. Splinter. He is so cool, you know? He stands up there. I'm going to set him down. Actually, we'll keep him standing up here. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to get a pair of scissors, and I'll put on my safety glasses and get a pair of scissors and cut this off so we can take the accessories out. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my safety glasses on and I have the scissors here. I'm just going to... Might be easier to cut from the front here. Just going to really carefully, there we go. Set the scissors off to the side. Make sure we get this plastic piece out so it doesn't get lost. I'm gonna set that to the side for now. And then, okay, so here is the bow and arrow. And then here are the rest of the accessories. I'm just going to move this to the side. It does have a sticker on the side here. And I'm going to leave the ninja stars attached, so I don't have to worry about them. And here is what Splinter looks like while he's holding his sword cane and his ninja bow. Okay, on Splinter's arms, on this arm there is a line right here, and then on this arm there is a line right here. And the front part of Splinter's arms can move like this. And then Splinter's arms can also move like this. And then Splinter's head can move like this. And then Splinter's legs can move like this. And then Splinter's tail can move like this. I also wanted to say that Splinter's robe is really cool. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.